What's happening, guys? I'm working on a fume extractor for my welder. Yeah, this is really ghetto-rigged, I know. Using a wood dry vac, just fiddling with it, seeing if I can make it work, kinda, sorta. It's kinda smoky in here. This is my shop. Yesterday I hooked up to 20, so I could use this welder into 20. This is my new welder, by the way. It's an ARC 160 in Amico. I don't know, I think it's probably a Chinese thing, but it welds really good. It's a lot of fun too. A lot of fun to weld with stick welders. I got rid of my flux core just for this because this is so much more fun to me. So anyway, yeah, got a wet dry vac, right? I got a sump pump hose connected to it, leading outside, and then I got this contraption in here, and then you guys get to see how it works right now. Let me hook you up to the stand here, the tripod. Let's see what I could do. Hopefully you'll see the smoke. Yeah, this thing's a little loud. What do you guys think? It gets smoky in here, but certainly not as smoky as it would if I didn't have that thing, right? This is actually a test for myself, just like I'm showing you, because I don't really know what it's doing while I'm welding. So I'm going to turn this off and see what it looks like on the video.